off last year. I haven't started another one up. I don't want another account added to my credit reports. I know it's gonna drop my credit score. I don't have time for that right now, you guys. I have different things I'm trying to apply for right now. So I don't want to apply for another account. But if you guys were to sign up for their account, then keep this in mind. It really depends on, you know, how long you guys are going to be paying, how long you want them to report. The longer the better. So if you guys could um consistently pay on this account for 24 months, then that can be good for you guys. The $25 account right here will be good for you guys, and then the $35 account right here would be good for you guys. Now with me, I just knew that I don't know, sometimes I just don't feel like I'm always consistent with things. So I just didn't want to mess it up. So I was like, let me do $48, and I just stuck with that. And that was with me paying on it for a year. So I had to pay $48 for a year. Every month they reported to the credit bureaus, which increased my credit score. So that's all I was worried about. Some people that really want to get like higher loans, higher amount in loans. So if you want to get like a limit or something like that on credit cards, you want to make sure that you start your profile out strong. Then some people go ahead and do it $150 per month. But right now, I'm battling with some of my clients trying to remove these late payments with self. So I always tell people, get what you can pay for affordably, because don't forget, you got to pay this every month. And you're not going to see this money until a year if you get these two, or 2 years if you get these two. Now, yes, there is going to be fees with self. The fee to sign up or to start is going to be $9. And then the final cost is here, how much you're eventually going to end up paying for all of these. But to me, think about it like this. You guys only really want to get these accounts so that they can report to the credit bureaus. Like, you just want them to report to the credit bureaus. That's all you guys care about. You want them to report to the credit bureaus so that your credit score can go up. You don't care, about, oh, what's this, what's that. Like, to me, it was just to get your credit score to go up. Because after your credit score start going up, like a month or two or even 3 months of this, you can get their secure credit card, and then you can go on and get other credit cards because now your credit score went up. That's all you care about. So just keep that in mind when you guys think about, the fees and things like that. So eventually I paid $46 in fees, but shoot, I told you guys 168 points. I'm with it. I like that. So definitely choose which plan that you guys want to go ahead and sign up for. Once you do that, then you guys can go ahead and click apply, and then they should be asking, I believe, to go through like your details. Now I logged out and probably sitting here inactive too made it so that I logged out, but that's what you guys will see. You guys will be able to choose which plan that you guys actually want, and then you guys can go from there and sign up for that plan. Now let's go through all these questions because it's a lot of them. It's a lot of them. Some of the questions is like yes, no, basic questions, and then some of them just more detail. So let's go through some of the questions. Is Self Credit Builder legit? I believe Self Credit Builder is legit. My credit scores personally went up 168 points since being with them. It wasn't totally just self, it was multiple things, but I think that they are legit. I paid into the self account. I got my money back. They reported to all 3 credit bureaus. They're totally legit, if you ask me. Now, people always wonder if these different accounts are legit, but my thing is are they reporting to the credit bureau? Will they give me my money back as I'm paying into them? Will I be getting my money back? That's another thing I want to know. And is my information being sold, or something happening with my information? I didn't have any of that personally when I had self, so I think that they are legit, and you guys can definitely sign up for it. Is a Self Credit Builder worth it? Self Credit Builder can be worth it if you have a very low credit score when you start now. If you have a very high credit score, you shouldn't even be thinking about like self. But if your credit score is low, it can definitely be worth it. What I suggest is go ahead and sign up for their installment account. If your credit score is very, very low and you don't have any credit cards at all, then look into signing up for their secure credit cards, because you can get that secure credit card without a credit check at all. And then that way you'll have 2 accounts reported to the credit bureaus. Now, worth it, again, it really is going to depend on your credit score. I say if your credit score is under a 620, definitely go ahead and sign up for it. You should be able to see a boost in your credit score. And it's only going to be worth it too if you guys don't have late payments, like in terms of you're not going to have late payments on this account. If you guys are going